In cold early spring, in dawn's grey light, near Crossbarry village there brewed a fight. 'Twas by the bridge we took up our stand, as word went round of the Crown's plans. We'd gather down a West Cork glen, 100 tired and hungry men, our rifles primed, our bodies worn, from raids through nights till early morn. 1,200 foes were closing fast, 6 columns sweeping through the pass. The net drew tight before the dawn, and Barry knew the fight was on. No time for plans or grand parades, a fight for life was all we made. From ditch and hedge the bullets flew, and chaos split the column through. Them there lying in the glen, prayers unspoken for 3 brave men. When smoke cleared, the fight was done, the rising mist revealed the sun. We'd live to tell what few could say, 100 men had escaped the fray. Many years have passed, the glen's grown still, but echoes still linger on the hill. The 100 men they could not kill live on as legends at Crossbarry still.